of Mortal Kombat 5. I think you guys should get it. Yeah, I think you guys should get it. It's a cool game. Yeah, and I would like to give a shout out to my friend Adrian and my other friend Caden. Alright, go check out their channels. I'll leave it in the description below. And thank you guys for for subscribing to me. And yeah, what is that now? Sorry. And you have received a friend request from Rashes. Do you want to accept and add them to your friend? Yes, sure, I guess. I don't even know what to do. That's fine. And yeah, but today I'm going to be showing you guys this game. And yeah, and also you guys here in this thing, you can like customize your gun and like make it bigger, like the 3, 2, and stuff like that. Right now I'm using this gun. This is my iPhone. Right, and right now you could also get this. You could also customize it like with the like the scope and the color and stuff like that. But yeah, and right now I'm recording with my phone, so you guys can't talk right now. You guys, if you want me to upload anything from like a camera, just tell me. I'll get my camera and soon. And so yeah, and right here you can customize your dude like your face. And I don't know why I'm not just that's probably yeah. Dude, check out this one. Oh, I forgot I have this too. Oh, but I'm not even. I'm gonna use this thing. Okay. I'm gonna use this one. No, just I can't decide. I'll go with this one because you guys better with the gun. Because also, there's that, and then like this little thing up here, the energy bar. You could waste that in here. You could get prizes from these and stuff like that. And this is like that, and this is like a marketplace kind of thing. See, like that. Whoa, is that a focus? I need to get that. So yeah, there's those things, and then so yeah, and right here there's like campaign, which like you're in China or something like that, and you had to rescue like some people. And right here in the events, I haven't really tried that yet. And right here in multiplayer, there's free for all, VIP, squad, battle, zone control, team battle, and CTF. Well, I haven't really tried like 2 of them, which is zone control and CTF. But I have tried the other ones. They're pretty cool. I like playing this one mostly because it's better for me. Well, for me it is, but I don't know. And so yeah, see, like it just went down the thing, and it goes pretty fast. So yeah, and then like with this, you could find the players. Like, sorry if this video might be short, cause like I can't really go that much. So yeah, let's get right into this game. And oh no, rooftops. I don't like this one. The reason I don't like this one is because there's a lot of fog and I can't really see other people and stuff. One time I had actually just hid in the place, and I'm gonna see if I could get a kill with this. And it seems to be team. There's tons of people nearby. See if I could just use that one. Holy crap. Also, in these videos, I'm not gonna cuss. Like, if you know Preston Play, oh no, and delete this one. But yeah, I'm not gonna cuss. If you know like Preston Plays, like I'm gonna be like him and not cussing that. So yeah, I'm not gonna cuss. But right now I'm recording with my phone. I might have told you this already, but oh crud. I'm gonna be 39 years old. Oh crud, he just came back. Oh, they just jumped off. But yeah, it's a cool game and this again. What the heck is this? Okay, it's my gun. No. Cut. Whoa! Whoa, there's a mad sniper on here or something. I'm pretty sure this stuff on you. Whoa! No! Good, man! What was that? Ugh. Alright, so yeah, and these things right here, like you could put down a turret and stuff like that. And yeah, like a helicopter. Did he seriously just... I don't know. I'm not sniping for you today. I don't know. But yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe and hit that like button. So yeah, let's get into it.
Recon mobilized. Activating EMP.
He's in. We could do this. And let it go. So, this could be my last one. Oh my god.
Turret in position.
There's so... Sorry, I gotta do real quick.
Enemy drone spotted.
Sorry, I gotta go real quick. Sorry guys, I have to go right now, and I'll see you guys later.